start. Today we are going to be unboxing the September Beautyfix box by Dermstore.
Alright, what we have here is the Beautyfix box for September 2018. It's a monthly subscription box that is at the cost of $24.95 with tax. Everything comes out to be $27.01. You see here's the box, what it looks like every month, what you get. Let's open it up and see what's inside this bad boy. Okay. Alright, this here is the brochure that comes in it, and every box it shows the Beautyfix, some basic stuff in the front. It shows you inside everything, description of what's in the box. Let's not go through that. This is what inside the box looks like. What's in this month's box, September. It says healthy skin and hair begins here. Alright, you ready? Let's get through this. What do we have here? The first item. We have it's by Murad, which is a nutrient-charged water gel. It's a moisturizer. It's your skin's best friend. Infuse your skin every day with luxurious, oil-free hydration to keep skin plump, firm, and healthy. Ooh, look at that bubblegum yum pink. All right, see how that feels. Let us know how that feels.
This kind sucks. It feels nice and moisturizing. And it feels good.
Oh, silky too. It's like it has what's that stuff? Glycerin, but
what's glycerin?
It's smooth, silky stuff. So you know that's some good stuff for the face. All right, there's some good stuff. Next item is in the box.
It's this Van Effect Micro Exfoliant.
This one here it has tiny beads and moisturizing cleanser, clear dead skin cells, revealing smoother, luminous skin. Okay.
So I'm gonna open it.
So it's a micro exfoliant. All right, let's see what's in it.
Here.
All right, looks like it's a tinted, maybe like a tan color. All right.
That's the color. Now I'm gonna wipe my head and then you can see. Oh.
All right, what does that feel like?
It feels like sand and gritty, fine texture gritty.
Oh yeah, it's like a fine, kind of very fine. So that should be good on the skin. Awesome. Nice. All right, what do we have next coming up in the box? What we have here, we have this here. Looks like it's by Couture Sud Pacific. It's a vanilla blackberry scent. It's all-day freshness. Is a beauty basic. Do a quick 3 spritz of this elegantly simple perfume for hours of tantalizing aroma. It looks like a nice decent sized scent there. It's more than the usual sample size, so that's good. You get more.
I'm gonna spray it.
All right.
Now it's under that.
Take a good whiff. Tell us what that smells like.
It smells like vanilla.
Can you smell it?
Color.
That's nice, sweet, and yummy scented.
Okay. Next is the Juice Beauty Green Apple Cleansing Bar.
All right, this one here is starting your day with this antioxidant infused, not so basic bar soap. Will set your skin up for success no matter what the day holds.
This is the bar soap. It looks like up close.
It's a nice decent size. Put it in the palm of your hand. Let's see. Compare it to your palm of your hand. All right, it's a nice decent size. Although it says green apple, it doesn't smell like green apple. But I do have the moisturizer of this brand, and it does work very well. So smell is not everything, people. Okay.
Next one is really most radiant skin.
Okay, and this one here is by the brand Dermalogica. It's a rapid reveal peel. This says, start your fresh, give yourself a fresh new canvas by using a peel. Safely remove impurities to even brighten and reveal brand new skin. Come in, let's see the size compared. As you can see, that's a little small amount, and this is a peel. So it doesn't look like we can get many uses out of this. It's definitely a sample. So maybe a 1, maybe 2 if we can squeeze 2 out. I don't know. But we're not going to open it. We're going to leave it fresh. So when we try it, we'll let you know how that is. All right. What's next up in the box? This one is by the brand Sky Island. It's a blemish dots. And it says, did you know you can banish pimples before they can make it to the surface? Use these botanical infused dots to get ahead of breakouts. So pretty much it's a sheet wipe that you can wipe your face with before you suspect a breakout. I don't know how you can suspect a breakout before it happens, but I guess this is just a sample. So if you bought the whole pack, I assume, then you can use it quite often, and I guess you won't have no more pimples, I suppose. All right, the next item we have in the box. What do we got? This one here is by Laura Geller. It's a Pout Perfection waterproof lip liner. And what's the name of it? Which kind we got? Spice. I know it's a little blurry, people, but it is Spice. You get the colors will vary in the box. It was either Spice or Nude, and this one here is Spice. This here is a trace and accentuate your pout with this creamy pout perfecting liner that will become your new go-to. Awesome. I don't know what a triangle. All right, that's what it looks on her skin tone. Since we're 2 different skin tones, we're gonna try it on each. Hello. And that's the color there, as you can see. It's nice. It goes with any kind of skin tone, so that's good. That's awesome. All right, what do we have next up? Let's see the box first. Hold on. So they like to do this with this brand. You think you're done. Then all of a sudden you move the little squiggles around, and what do we find? Boom. Extra stuff. So it's like Christmas on top of Christmas. All right, what do we have next in the box? This here is by the brand Dr. Brandt. That's a good brand, people. This one here is a microdermabrasion. It's designed to safely remove the top layer of skin. Reveal younger, brighter looking skin in minutes with this cult favorite. All right. Let's see what it feels like, people.
It's a white color.
All right. See what it is. Squish it, squish it, squish it, squeeze it. You having some trouble? Okay, there we go. All right. Rub it. Let's see what the texture feels like.
Same, very fine grittiness.
Yeah, it's a fine, gritty texture. I do have the blue one of this. I don't know if you...
And there's a primer of it, too.
I do have the blue one of this, so it works really good. That I can say. So I've never tried the black one.
And they have a primer.
And yes, like she says, I do have the primer. The what kind is it? The luminous one.
Yeah.
And that's pretty good. So this is a really good brand, people. So you're getting your money's worth with this alone. Maybe 3 times fold for the box. So that says a lot.
Last one is this.
Yes, last but not least. This is by the brand Harry Josh. It's a Pro Tools. It's a mini detangling brush. Brushing your hair is a beauty basic. This mini brush is perfect. Are we having some issues? We'll get it, people. Hold on.
Wait.
All right, this mini brush is perfect for detangling and for massaging the scalp. Kickstart growth. All right, well, we ladies love something to kickstart our growth, that's for sure. Oh, what color we call this?
Mint green or a sea green.
Sea green, mint green, whatever you want to call it, whatever you prefer. It's a nice, well, how does it feel? Nice hefty weight there we got. Let me see this. Bristles. It's nice. You got them little As you can see, the little balls at the end. That explains why you get the little nice massaging on your scalp. The bristles are nice and flexible. So it's a really good brush there. I've tried these before, and they do not tangle your hair, and it gets the tangles out. So that's pretty awesome to get in the box. So with everything we have here, let's see, which one do we like the most? So got quite a bit of things here. Let's see. Talk to this. Okay, and we have this lip liner. Let's put everything in sight so you people can see what we have. Everything one by one by one by one. Okay. I believe that's everything. Oh, we can't forget the Dr. Brandt there. All right. So as you can see, how many items we got in the box? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 items here we got. So it's pretty decent size. May not seem like much, but hey, you get your money's worth. For $27, quite a bit to try. Which one's your favorite?
My favorite is this here because it's so moisturizing and it's nice healing on the skin. And this is my favorite too because it smells good, like vanilla.
Yummy.
The lip liner is also my favorite. It's because it's a nice color and it goes to every skin color.
All right.
And
Hold on. I say what's your favorite, not everything.
This brush is also my favorite too. So those are my favorite.
Well, she might as well say everything. It looks like she likes everything, but
The ones I don't like is this one. It smells terrible and I don't like it.
well, like I said, some things may not smell good, but they work great. So keep that in mind. My favorite, I would say, is the microdermabrasion because, you know, we love getting rid of that old crusty skin. Nobody likes that. And this moisturizer, it's really good on the skin, so I can say that. This peel, we got to give it a try to see how it works, but we'll see. And definitely the brush. So as you can see, I pretty much said a few things. So we pretty much like the box. If that's our conclusion, pretty much. So yeah, subscribe if you feel you're interested with the box.
Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more of these kind of videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.